The Stallion Series is the most robust soft wash skid on the pressure washing market. Our all-in-one soft wash skids help you dominate even the toughest power washing jobs. The Stallion is offered in a multitude of options, perfect for any pickup truck or van on the market. Every Stallion skid comes complete with tanks, power system, proportioner, surface cleaner with lockable rack, hoses, and wands. Assembled on a lightweight and strong aluminum frame. Fully TIG welded in-house to ensure industry-leading durability. The 5.5-foot Stallion uses a universal truck bed skid and fits effortlessly into all 5-foot, 5.5-foot, 6-foot, and 6.5-foot beds from Dodge, Chevrolet, GMC, Nissan, Toyota, and Ford. Two 100-gallon vertical tanks ensure minimum downtime, powered by a BE Honda GX6908 GPM at 4,000 PSI. Our advanced Cyclone 3/4-inch proportioner system, paired with 12-volt soft wash, allows fine control of your chemical mix, allowing you to skip the hassle of batch mixing. All Stallion Series skids from Cigar Series Softwash include a wand with 36-inch lance and easy pull trigger. The M5 twist and shooter tip combo allows quick and painless nozzle mode switching. 500 total feet of hosing allows you to tackle the biggest homes and commercial properties without needing to move your rig repeatedly. Need something bigger? The Stallion XL skid is built on an 8-foot universal skid and is sized for all extended truck beds, including Dodge, Chevrolet, GMC, and Ford. Compared to the standard size, the Stallion XL features 100 extra gallons of water storage. How about more power? The Stallion XL Ultimate 8-foot skid can take your soft wash to the next level. Powered by the more powerful BE Honda GX690 with K7 unloader upgrade. Replacing the 12-volt soft wash system, the Comet P40 gas roof pump with electric start increases cleaning efficiency and comes standard with Water Boss gun and 1-inch Cyclone proportioner. Available as an additional option on standard Stallion XL. The included Tucker 4-stage Rody water-fed pole system allows you to efficiently and effectively clean windows and screens with ease. For maximum soft washing power, look no further than the Stallion XL Extreme 8-foot skid. Including both the P41-inch soft wash system and the 12-volt 3/4-inch soft wash system, the Stallion XL Extreme can double your efficiency. Additional hose, surface cleaner, and shooters enables simultaneous operation. All of our rigs come assembled and ready to use right off the showroom floor. Simply fill with chemicals and water, and away you go. The Stallion series of skids from Cigar Series Softwash offer options for all types of crews and jobs, so you can focus on getting jobs done fast. Each skid is backed by our complete 30-day warranty and includes a personalized walkthrough with on-the-job training and optional upgrading. Thank you for watching.